Hey, this is Eric over at TechnoRV, and today I'm going to answer another customer question that came into us, and this comes in from Ronnie out of Washington. And Ronnie wants to know, do the TST tire pressure monitoring sensors work if you use nitrogen, if you have balancing beads in the tire, and is it affected by any particular braking systems that you may use while towing? So the TST sensors are all pressure activated. So this means that as long as they've got pressure, they're just fine. So whether you're using just straight air, nitrogen, the sensor doesn't know the difference. So nitrogen has no effect at all on the TST sensors. So that's good news there. The balancing beads, if you have balancing beads, some of these brands will require that there's like a certain filter over the Schrader valve inside of the valve stem so that nothing gets clogged up. And as long as whoever installed your balancing beads installed everything correctly, then that Schrader valve in the valve stem is completely protected from the beads, and therefore there wouldn't be any obstructions or anything like that, and therefore the pressure to the end of the valve stem would be just fine, and therefore the sensor would be just fine. The braking systems, wasn't 100% sure exactly what was meant by this particular question, but you know, if you're towing a vehicle behind your RV and you've got a module braking system or something like that, that's not going to affect the sensors on the valve stems whatsoever. I will tell you that the TST sensors not only monitor pressure but also temperature, and we have heard many instances of braking modules maybe not disengaging all the way, leaving a little bit of pressure on those brakes. That builds up heat, and if it builds up enough heat, that sensor will pick that up and then let you know about it, alarm you inside of the RV so that you could pull over and kind of see what was going on. So it's actually great for using the TST sensors when you do have a braking system. So if you want to learn more about TST tire pressure monitoring systems and monitoring your tires for pressure and temperature, then you can jump right over to TechnoRV.com.